13 WMAZ weather, sponsored by Vera of Central Georgia.
Now, Alex, I know you said earlier that hopefully you might end up going to the pool. I'd love to go to the pool. I don't know if you're going to extend the invite because I don't know if my pool is open. And it is a beautiful day to go to the pool.
Yeah. Open invite. Everyone come as you please.
Everyone go to Alex Price for the pool.
Yes, come on. Everyone watching this morning, just come to the pool. Not sure if Mom would like that very much, but still, it is going to be a great way to combat this warm and muggy air that we are still going to continue to have present. And this warm and muggy air is going to continue to contribute to some rain shower chances each and every afternoon. Obviously, the possibility of a storm this time of year, not necessarily out of the cards each and every day. 72 degrees and mostly cloudy over downtown Macon. So you will notice maybe some temperatures a couple degrees higher than what we were dealing with yesterday. And that's thanks because of this cloud cover right now. But areas over to the east in central Georgia may be closer to 70 degrees or dipping down into the upper 60s this morning. Dew point temperatures, that muggy air is still remaining in place. Doesn't look like we have anything coming through to push that dark green color out of that dew point temperatures graphic. So we're just going to continue to deal with pop-up showers and storms each and every afternoon. And some of those can linger into the overnight and early morning hours, like we see this cluster of some showers up here closer to the metro Atlanta area. Nothing in the way of rain here in central Georgia, but we have plenty of cloud cover that is right now going to block our sunrise image, but we'll see how that plays out over the next couple of hours. So we actually got above average yesterday, 91 degrees for a high temperature. What do we look to do today? Not going to see much change on the high temperature side of things. Mostly dry morning, afternoon showers and storms. Probably getting tired of me saying that, but that's what happens when you have high temperatures near 90 degrees. You have the humidity present. We'll continue to have the sufficient ingredients for pop-up showers and storms each and every afternoon. So we'll zoom through Future View here, a mostly dry morning by about 10 a.m. Once we get past lunchtime into the late afternoon hours, that's when scattered activity continues to bubble up. Continues into the nighttime hours, but then after we get past sunset, we do see that activity fizzle out fairly quickly. Can't rule out a couple of sprinkles still hanging around for the early morning hours, but overall, the morning hours should trend mostly dry. And then as we head into each and every afternoon, continuing to see scattered showers, scattered storms, no rhyme or reason to it. Can't even rule out a strong or a severe storm. We saw one of those severe storms down in Toombs County in the Vidalia area yesterday. So we could have the possibility of it every single day, although it is going to be very localized and isolated as opposed to being widespread. This same pattern persists all the way into your weekend on Saturday. Hopefully going to get a little bit of clearing earlier on in the evening on Saturday, but we'll see how that plays out. But what are you going to be treated to if you don't see anything in the way of rain? How about feels like numbers in the mid-90s for this afternoon? We go all the way to Friday afternoon. Once again, still in the mid-90s. Wouldn't doubt that a couple areas will flirt with the upper 90s. And it's the same story for your Saturday. But the sooner that rain arrives, it will make those heat indices in the mid to upper 90s very short-lived. So you can root for a little bit of a shower to cool your temperatures down. But overall, still not seeing much change with your 7-day forecast. It is a typical summertime pattern with rain chances every day.